As we make our way through the abbreviated trading week, joining me now is Joe Tegay. He's with Equity Armor here for the Trader Rundown. And thank you for coming on the show, Joe. And of course, we do have that jobs number at the end of the week, and the Fed minutes are coming out today. Will either one of those be market movers?
Sure, of course, the jobs number is always a potential catalyst for the market. The Fed minutes always a potential catalyst for the market. We're seeing a reduction in volatility yesterday as the market was up for the start of the year. Getting off on the right note for the S&P 500, and volatility is looking a little lower at 13.5.
Everybody's waiting for this Dow 20,000. What's your prediction?
It might happen this week, it might happen next week. There's so many predictions for the market in 2017. They're all over the place. They're 20% returns. We're going to see a market correction. For me, that's just telling me there's a lot of uncertainty. A lot of people are predicting higher volatility. Also, well, maybe they'll be wrong too. So really anything is possible, and anything is to be prepared for in the market going forward. For me, yesterday's action in the market was a perfect example of that. With all the predictions, people trying to beat Nostradamus on what the market's going to do.
That's true.
What ended up happening was the market performed exactly the way it did in 2016. We saw the market up in the morning, oil up very large in the morning, oil reversing, and at the same time, market following oil reversing yesterday. So for me, it's just the simplest answer is usually the right answer. What happened in 2016 is going to work again in 2017.
We are staying with that trend. Now, how do you play that as a trader? What are you watching today in the market?
Well, first of all, the first thing I'm watching will be the oil /CL front month crude futures. To hedge against a long market position, you could go short oil. There's 100 ways to do that, but for me, just following oil and their key levels is the primary thing I'm watching in the short term.
So if oil's going up, it's likely that the market will rise and vice versa.
Yes, oil is just a factor of how the global economy is doing. Increased demand, increased growth in the world, the market will follow.
Well, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.